given problem is solve d cube plus 8 into y is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 2x plus 1. So here you observe this is in the form of f of d into y is equal to q of x, where q of x is a polynomial in terms of x, right? So first solve, they are given nothing but the general solution of f of d into y is equal to q of x is y of x is equal to complementary function and particular integral. Yes or no? Complementary function plus particular integral. Now we have to find out the complementary function. To find the complementary function, we have to consider let y is equal to e to the power of mx be a solution of f of d into y is equal to 0. Right side part you have to take 0. Then the auxiliary equation is f of m is equal to 0. That is m cube plus 8 is equal to 0. So here you observe friends, it is a polynomial of degree 3. So you will get how many roots? 3 roots you will have. By the observation you can say minus 2 is a root. But you see friends, this problem you can solve by using the calculator also. Okay, now I am explaining through the calculator. You see friends, here you have, now you observe, this is equations plus 5. Next this is a cubic equation. Cubic equation, m cube plus 1 is m cube plus 8 is equal to 0. So go for cubic equation, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus 3 cx plus d. Now press 4. Now here you need to write a m cube quotient first. M cube quotient is 1. Next m square quotient. Is there any m square here in the m cube plus 8? No m square. So you write on 0 again is equal to. Next is there any m term? No. So 0. And the constant you have. What is the constant here? 8. So press 8 is equal to button. Again you press is equal to button. Then you will have x1 is equal to 2. Nothing but m1 is equal to 2. Next to x2 is equal to 1 plus root 3i. What about the third variable? Third root here 1 minus root 3i. So I can write m is equal to minus 2 comma 1 plus or minus root 3i are the roots. Yes or no? Now you observe, if the roots are real, generally real is there, then we will write a c1 e power ax. If a is a root and that is a real, and if a plus or minus ba is a root, that is complex roots if it is there, then the complementary function we will let e power ax into c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx we are writing. Okay, now here what is a here you have? Minus 2. So the complementary function cf is equal to e to the power of minus 2x plus c1 e to the power of minus 2x, because this is the first arbitrary constant, first root. So c1 e power minus 2x. Next you have complex roots. So you write e power ax. What is a here? A is a real part. What is the real part here? 1. So 1 into x into c. Here already c1 is over. So we are starting with the c2. c2 cos bx. What is the b here? B is nothing but imaginary part. So here imaginary part is what you have? Root 3. So c1 cos root 3x plus c2 sin root 3x. That's it. So this is the complementary function. Now we have to find out the particular integral. The particular integral for f of d into y is equal to q of x. We have ypi is equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. So what is the q of x here? You have q of x is, you see, ypi is equal to 1 by, what is f of d first? F of d is d cube plus 8. What is the q of x? X to the power of 4 plus 2x plus 1 you have. Right. Friends, you see, q of x is a polynomial of degree 4. Okay. Now this is in terms of x alone, x to the power of m form. So go for the shortcut method. In the shortcut method what we are doing means, from the f of d we have to bring out the lowest degree term. What is the lowest degree term here? 8. So bring out 8 outside. Then you will have 1 by 8, 1 plus d cube by 8. Okay. Into x to the power of 4 plus 2x plus 1. Now the denominator you have 1 plus pi of d form. So this one you take in the numerator. Then you will have 1 plus d cube by 8 whole inverse of x to the power of 4 plus 2x plus 1. Now you observe, this is in the form of 1 plus x whole inverse form. 1 plus x whole inverse form. What is the formula we have from the binomial expression? binomial expansion, 1 plus x whole inverse is equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus so on. Okay, now up to x degree, here based on the, generally x degree means here infinite only, plus so on, continuation is there here. Okay, now in this case d cube by 8 is there, but what is the polynomial here? You have x to the power of 4, nothing but 4th degree is there. So up to expansion you have to take what? Now I am explaining that one. You see, derivative of x to the power of 4 plus 2x plus 1 is equal to, what is the derivative of x power 4? 4x cube. 2x derivative is 2. Next, d square of x power 4 plus 2x plus 1 is equal to, the derivative of this is what? 12x square plus 0. Next, d cube of the bracket is equal to 24x. Next, d to the power of 4 of bracket, nothing but the derivative 4 times we are doing, then you will have 24, nothing but 4 factorial. So we can differentiate 4 times. 5th time if you are differentiated, then what we are getting? 0. Higher order of 4th degree, more than 4 if you are taken, then the derivative of higher order will become 0. So we are taking only up to this, right? Now in this case, this is, you see, 1 by 8 times of 1, this is 1 minus x. What is x here? You have d cube by 8. Next, x square is nothing but d power 6. Is it required d power 6? No. So close the bracket, into x to the power of 4 plus 2x plus 1. Now multiply inside. Then 1 by 8 times of x to the power of 4 plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 8 times of d cube of this bracket. What is the d cube here? You have d cube is nothing but maximum, you have 24x. Whatever the next derivative here, 0. So no need to write. Now you have to simplify this. 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So here you have a x cube, this is plus 2x and this is minus 3x. So you will have minus x plus 1. Okay, now this is equal to, I am writing here, 1 by 8 times of x to the power of 4 minus x plus 1. Okay, is it clear for everyone? You see, this is the particular integral. Hence the general solution is YCF plus YPI. So you need to write complementary function plus the particular integral. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Thank you for watching this video.